It's always a pleasure to see successful entrepreneurs, people taking one idea, bring it to a global success with a very beautiful product, like in case of OKTAN with snowmobile and jet ski, a very emotional mechanical product. I really like it. And what I really like about them is that they are looking forward into a new business model where the product comes together with customization. And this is what every client today is dreaming. And if they are privileged to be clients of OKTAN, for example, they also get it. In our vision, this is what robotics should do. Robotics are the hands which are doing repetitive job, and you are actually the brain able to do the customization, build a new idea or new product. And that's the revolution that we are working on.
We are a company in the middle of Sweden, and we are a power sport company, and we sell snowmobiles and ATVs and jet skis and so on. We've been here for 12 years now, and we have 20 employees. We really like to modify and develop our own things, and the timeline between the idea and the final product is quite long. Like snowmobiles, we don't have so much time to test them out because the winter is short. So that's our biggest challenge, and that's where we see the most possibilities with the CNC motor. We saw that we could cut the time from idea to final product or prototype. Being able to make prototypes and even manufacture our own things and cutting supply chains are really important to us, both economics and time-wise. Now we're like addicted to CNC, and there's no end of possibilities what we can do with this machine. And that's really fun.
So this machine has to be extremely easy, extremely flexible, powerful and accurate. So industrial grade technology, scaled down in size, scaled down in requirements, but absolutely not scaled down in performances and accuracy. Solves also the problem of who operates the machine. And basically can be also a situation where the client is next to you, you can change few little details, few parameters, and basically you can machine it in front of your client. So the new industrial revolution is all about empowering the people to be more creative and provide enough technology to execute the final product in a way that before was only executed with a large volume and very big machineries. The client is the one inspiring us to improve the technology. And OKTAN was a magic example because the owners are extremely creative, and I believe that's the key success of their business. And our machine actually is able to provide them a lot of flexibility, and I'm pretty sure that in the future we will see a lot of custom-made snowmobile and custom-made water jets only because of our machine.